Traders, Adam Ryan here with Optic Trading, and welcome back to another market recap video covering crude oil. All trends remain up on our monthly, our weekly, and our daily time frame. The daily time frame's been coming into balance now, and we've been talking about this balance area all last week, and we're going to continue to talk about it as we remain in balance. Now, towards the end of the session, we did get a balance area failure, so we're going to get to that after we talk about where we left off from last session. So where we left off from last session is we did trade into the balance area high yesterday, failed at the high. So the expectation for today was that we would see rotation back down to the balance area low, which is exactly what we got. So we opened up with a gap lower. Buyers tried to push price up into resistance. Sellers stepped in, pushed price back down to the low. We've seen some exhaustion on the sell side. Buyers stepped in, but we weren't really able to see any continuation, and we tested the lows yet again. Now this right here is a balance failure that we got. And one thing to note when we're breaking out of balance, a couple of things that are going to help you with determining whether we're going to break or we're going to fail. So at this point in time, we are breaking out late into the session. So it's usually better when we break out early into the session and when the range is smaller so we have more room to move. So at this point in the day, we're already at $2.05 range, which is 50 cents above the average range at $1.54. So we're already way above range. We're breaking out late in the session, and we're seeing that we do have a lot of strong buyers coming in this area. So a balance failure should be on our radar at this point. Now you still want to go with the break anyways, because when you're breaking out of balance, you can get very explosive. But you just want to be aware that you take the break, get short here. If you see absorption at the low, you want to be able to flip the switch right away and go with the absorption, because when you're breaking out of balance, you can't always just assume because buyers are in control here at these lows that there's going to be a balance area failure. We could easily take out these stops and sellers could just pile on. We could have had a trend here. So you want to be on the lookout for both scenarios. Yes, we could possibly get a break out of balance here, but we can also see a balance failure. In balance areas, we are going to do three things. We're going to look above and below the balance area and accelerate, above and below the balance area and fail, or we're going to remain in balance. So keep these things in mind as we go forward in this balance area. We did just have a failure at the low, so the expectation is that we rotate back to the balance area high. I know it sounds like a broken record. All last week and this week, rotation high to low, high to low. This is what happens in balance areas, so get very familiar with it, guys. When we're in balance areas, we do see a lot of rotation from the high to the low and a lot of chop in between. So the real opportunities are going to be at the extremes of the high and the low of balance. We could fail lower, we could fail higher, but expectation once again is that we rotate back to the balance area high. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That lets me know you guys enjoy these videos and you want more of them. Best of luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.